Hello once again everyone. Welcome back to the bakery for another YouTube video. In this particular video, I just recently acquired a surface grinder attachment for my 2x72 inch belt grinder. So I thought I would get the attachment set up, walk you through the motions of using it, and just talk about the general benefits of a surface grinder attachment, as well as how awesome a 2x72 inch belt grinder can be as an addition to your shop. So I've got the attachment unboxed already. Let's go through the initial setup and we'll get started. Okay, so to start us off here, I am the owner of a Ameribraid 2x72 inch belt grinder. This unit here is about 3 or 4 years old now. This is what I'm going to call their classic model. Now they have what's called a fastback model. It's a completely bolt together chassis instead of a welded one that you see here. But they're American made. They're based out of California, and they're super great to deal with. And I have quite a few attachments for it at this point. So I've gotten the horizontal tilt base on it now, and have just a regular flat platen there. And I have it's equipped with a VFD, and I've gone ahead and made myself an attachment tower here. A couple contact wheels, a rotary platen, and a small wheel attachment with some work rests as well, and some other small wheels here. But I can't say enough about how awesome this unit is. It's been working like a bear for me, no issues whatsoever. And the surface grinder attachment is just a huge game changer. So let's have a look at that. Okay, so this is how we're looking out of the box. This accessory arm here just comes unbolted, so it fits in a box nice. It's obviously an awkward looking piece to ship. But first up, we're looking at a 4-inch rubber contact wheel by 2.5 inches wide. The surface grinder working area is 2 inches wide. Little deflector shield there for sparks and stuff. It comes from Ameribraid with 4 magnets on it for hold down power. They can be switched on and off, which is super nice. You can also purchase additional magnets from Ameribraid if you want. The surface grinder working area is also capable of being tapered here, which is super nice. This is the entire slide piece, little handle there, which is nice. The dial indicator comes in its own box shipped, so it's protected. And all of your table adjustments are down here on the bottom. It's a really heavy unit. It's super well made. And we're going to throw it on the machine and run some tests. Okay, so for the sake of this demonstration today, I have a billet of 23 layer Damascus that I forged out the other day. Before we throw on the surface grinder attachment though, I'm going to put on a 6-inch contact wheel with an older 36 grip belt. And we're just going to run this through the motions on the grinder and take off the top layer of forge scale that's on here. Just get down to some halfway decent steel to true up on the surface grinder. Okay, so here's our initial attachment setup. We're looking really good. Got a used belt on there just for you to get a quick look at what it should look like. Also a magnetic work light there. That was a little touch by me, quick Amazon purchase. Highly recommend that. But the attachment itself is sitting really nice. We're going to just put this through a few quick motions, make sure everything is working as it should, and then we're going to put it to work. Okay, so I've gone ahead and gotten our Damascus billet cleaned up pretty good. Tons of forge scale off. I've gone ahead and taken some measurements now. Looks like I got about 16 inches of usable material to cut up into smaller pieces now. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these into 4-inch pieces for our restack. And we're going to throw each of those 4-inch pieces on our surface grinder. Okay, so just real quick, I've got our Damascus pieces cut up into 4-inch long smaller pieces in what would be our restack. I just want to take a sec and just show you what we're kind of looking at here with the rough stack. As you can see, we're not quite flush in some areas. You can see some daylight through them. We want a nice flat seam there to weld up to ensure the best possible forge weld. So we're going to throw these on just one at a time and true them up on the surface grinder. Okay, we are looking really good here. 4 pieces of Damascus, cut and cleaned and surface ground flat. As you can see, our faces are looking super clean. They're going to stack together real nice. We're now going to restack this, looking at 93 layers here. And as you can see, super flush together. It's going to make weld up a breeze. So we're going to get this billet prepped. And we are ready to forge another day here. All right, we are all welded up, super flat, ready to go. Another 92 layers to be drawn out. Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my walkthrough of my sweet new surface grinder attachment. For those of you in the market for one, I hope this gave you a closer look at what you could be buying or making if you choose to make one up yourself. The benefits of a surface grinder are really endless. They ensure the best possible forge welds on any type of layered steel for blacksmithing, bladesmithing, any mosaic work they really help out with, and really just metal work in general is going to really give you the precision flatness that you're going to need to build just about anything. So be sure to like this video. Let me know in the comments how I'm doing. Hopefully this video helped anybody out there. And if you like my channel, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.